really stole Edward's paint? That bastard!
No, they turned my boy Oliver into an aquarium car.
Oh look, it's Thomas. With black wheels. Yay.
Ah, yeah, Gordon. I definitely get that feeling too. You know, where I just,
Turn everything on my face to the right and just stare off into space, I definitely get that feeling too, Gordon. You're not alone. I guess we just can't have nice things in this world, can we? You just had to go out and make a factory error of the two best characters in the show. And don't at me in the comments. I swear if you at me in the comments. Oh, look, an Erdl. Hey, say, Gordon, you look kind of different. Don't tell me. Let me guess. You got a haircut. Or no. Wait, no, Trace don't have a haircut. Okay, I know you're expecting me to say a joke about this, but actually, in all seriousness, Billy kind of looks good with red wheels. I know his typical orange wheels suit him way better, but the red wheels look kind of fire, if you ask me. I don't even know what to say anymore. This is pure modern art. This is modern art at its finest, guys. We've done it. No need to continue any further, guys. Oh, look, it's my favorite truck of all time. And my other favorite truck. Standard gauge, narrow gauge, much way off them this truck.